Dear students, as we are starting our maths class, let's have a look at the first chapter. In this first chapter, we find the revision exercises of the chapters that we have already done in the previous class, that is in class 3. In this chapter, we will find the number names, expanded form, short form, ascending and descending orders, and so on. Now let's see page number 6. There we can find the number of, write the number for the following number names. Okay, let me write the number name. According to the book, it is given 5,810. Now we need to write the numerals. So before writing the numerals, write down its place like ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now you can read the number names like 5,000. So in place of 1,000, just place 5. 800. So in place of 100, write 8 and 10. So 110. So this is the numeral for the. Now in question number B, it's given 6,002. To find out the correct numeral, you can write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So in place of 1,000, you can see here 6,000. So write down 6. So there is no 100 in this number name. So in place of 100, just write 0. And there is no tens place also. So write 0. And in ones place, you can write this 2. So this is the answer. Okay, now let us go to question number 2. Write the number name for the following numbers. Numerals are given here. So you need to write the number name. So in question number 2A, it's given 1011. So for this also, it's better to write its place first like ones, tens, hundred and thousand, so that it will be easy for you to write the number names. So you can write in thousands place, you can see 1. So 1,011. Now let us go. Okay, I hope till here you have understood. Now let us go to the next number, that is B. Numerals are given as 9912. Just above the numerals, write its place like ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So for this, you just check it out. Just below 1,000 you can see 9. So 9,000. In place of 100 you can see 9. So 9,900. In place of tens you can see 1. So 9,912. Now in question number 3, we can see write in the short form. Question is given as, in question number 3A, it's given as 6,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 4. So it is given in the expanded form, that is in the long term. Now we can write in a short form. So in order to find out the answer, you can arrange this number vertically also. So you can do the rough work like 6,730 and 4. Then add all these numerals. So you are getting 4, 3, 7, 6. So it will be 6,734 will be the correct answer. Example. Now let me take question number D. It is given there 8,000 plus 9. So arrange this number vertically again. 8,000 and 9 stands in ones place. So here we can see ones place is here just below 0. So you add this 8009. So the answer will be 8009. 8009. Now let us go to question number 4. That is fill in the boxes using greater than, smaller than, or the equal to sign. Okay. Question number A. It's given 5653 5538. Okay, now how to find out which group of number is the bigger one? So always keep in your mind the opening part always faces towards the bigger number. So how to find out the bigger number? Now first you see the first number. Now in both the sides you can see the first number is 5. Now go to the next number. That is, in first group of number you can see 6, and in second group of number you can see 5. So 6 and 5, among these two numbers 6 is the greater number, larger number. So the opening part always faces towards the bigger number, means it has to be like this. The sign has to be like this. Okay. In question number 5, we can see write the following numbers in ascending order. What does the word ascending means? The word ascending means, according to the sentence, to arrange the number from smaller to the bigger number. So we need to find out the number, the smallest one first. So the numbers are given here 7822. The second group of number is 2782. Third group of number is 2278. And next is 8722. And the last group of number is 2877. Now among all this number, now we are finding ascending order. Among this number we have to find out the smallest group of number. So already I have taught you how to find out the greater number and the smallest number. Now look at the first number of each group of number. Now see, in first group of number you can see 7, and second group of number you can see 2. Third group of number you can see 2 again, and next is 8, and the last one is 2. Now among all this group of numbers, these 3 carries the same value of first number. Now let us go to the second digit, that is 7, 2 and 8. Now 7, 2 and 8, which is the smallest number? This group, isn't it? So this comes as a smallest group of number. So 2, 2, 7, 8. Now little bigger to this, now we have to find out. So again we will see these two we have to match. So in first number you can see the same value, that is 2 and 2. And second numbers you can see 7 and 8. Among these 7 and 8, 7 is the smallest one. So you will write 2782. Then comes 2877. Then now let's go to another number. Now these two numbers are remaining. So the first number here you can see that is 7 and here you can see that is 8. So which number comes first? 7822, and the next last group of number will be 8722. So we have arranged this number according to smaller to the bigger. So this is called ascending order. Now let's go to question number 6, that is, write the following numbers in descending order. So the first group of number is 1708, then 5710, 1075, 2181, 5207. Now descending means to arrange the number from bigger number to the smaller number, greater to smaller. So to find out the bigger number, again we have to see the first number. So here in first group you can see 1, second group of number you can see 5, third group of number 1, fourth 2, and the last one 5. Now leave all these 3 and concentrate in these 2 numbers, group of numbers. Now you can see 5 and 5 in the first number. So let us go to the next digit, that is 7 and 2. So among 7 and 2, 7 is the greater number. So 5710 comes first as a larger number. The sign will be like this, and the next will be 5207. Next, now here you can see 1 in first as a first number, here also 1 you can see, and in this group of number you can see 2. So among these 3 numbers, 2 is the bigger group of numbers. So 2181. Now next is this group of number and this group of number. Now first one is 1 equal 7 and 0. You can see in second as a second digit. So which one is the larger group of number? This first one, this 1708, and the smallest number is 107. So this descending order. Okay, today whatever we have learned about numbers, how to write the number names, how to write the numerals for the number names. Now let me go through once. Okay, numbers. To write the numerals for the number name is already given in the book. So you need to write the numerals. So before you write the numerals, just write its place, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and just below that you place the number. As you read, place the numbers. Question number 2. Numerals are given. You need to write the number name. For that also you can write its place like ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. So you can read easily now 1011, 9912. Question number 3. According to the book, we have done the short form. It is given in the long term, like in expanded form. We have to write in a short form. So in order to find out the answer, we need to arrange this number vertically. So if you arrange the number vertically, the number answers you will get the correct answer. So in the same way, question number D I have done. Rest of the question you can practice by yourself. And okay, question number 4, using smaller than, greater than or equal to sign. Okay, you can see the two groups of number. Now how to find out what type of sign we have to put? You have to see the numbers. First number you see, you can see both the numbers are same, like 5 and 5 means it is equal. Now let us go to the next number. 6 and 5 means 6 is bigger than 5. So always the opening part faces towards the bigger number. Keep in your mind. It is ascending order. Ascending order means to arrange the number from smaller number to the bigger number. Done. You just go through it. And descending order also I have done. So you, whatever the questions are there, remaining one, you can practice at home. You can fill up this, all these spaces given here. You can read the question carefully and you can fill up the answers here. Thank you so much for today. We will again meet in the next class.